Hello everyone! Today, Ollie's going to teach you how to make a best friend forever! Look at him. Isn't he cute? Well, Ollie thinks so. Ollie, what are you going to need? What you're gonna need is a pom-pom, of course, then a pipe cleaner, a marker, any sort of marker, we don't care, and then a rubber band. So first, let's start with the easy part, putting on this on the pom-pom. So you stretch it out a little bit, then put it on. Kind of see him looking good already. Okay. Next, the mouth and eyes. So this is the easy part. Just to draw a mouth and some eyes. Or you could get googly eyes if it really fits you. Then the pipe cleaner. Stretch the rubber band if you can. And also, this is a cotton ball. Just if we didn't tell you, or you don't really remember. Oh well. Stretch the rubber band. And then put it in just like this. But you don't want it to fall, so give it a little curve. And then you might want to tie it. Okay. Now we got our best friend. Boyfriends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more of our videos.